Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x and y where x plus y is equal to 6, xy is equal to 36. Okay. X plus y is equal to 6, it is called equation 1, and xy is equal to 36, it is called equation 2. Now, from equation 1, we can write here x plus y is equal to 6, or y is equal to, taking this positive x to right side, we will get negative x, so we can write here 6 minus x. So y is equal to 6 minus x, and it is called equation 3. Now from equation 2, we can write here xy is equal to 36. Here y is equal to 6 minus x from equation 3. So we can write here x times y, that means 6 minus x is equal to 36. Or now multiplying, here we will get x times 6 is 6x, x times negative x is negative x square is equal to 36. Or now taking this 6x and this negative x square to right side, we will get 0 is equal to 36 minus 6x plus x square. Now changing side, we can write here 36 minus 6x plus x square is equal to 0. Or now rearranging left sides, we can write here x square minus 6x plus 36 is equal to 0. Now here we can use quadratic equations, so we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, and c is equal to 36. Or x is equal to minus b is equal to minus 6, so we can write here minus 6 plus or minus a square root of minus 6 square minus 4 times 1 times c is 36 over 2 times 1. Or x is equal to minus times minus is plus, so here we will get 6 plus or minus the square root of minus 6 square is minus 6 times minus 6, that means 36 minus 4 times 36 over 2 times 1 is 2. Or x is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of, now taking common 36, here we will get 1 minus 4 over 2. Or x is equal to 6 plus or minus, now we can write here square root of 36 times square root of 3 times square root of negative 1 over 2. Or x is equal to 6 plus or minus, here we will get 6 times square root of 3 times, here we will get I over 2. Or x is equal to, now taking common 2, here we will get 3 plus or minus 3 square root of 3i over 2. Now this 2 consider this 2, so there are two values of x, so we can write here the value of x1 is equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 3i and the value of x2 is equal to 3 minus 3 square root of 3I. Now recall equation 3, we can write here y is equal to 6 minus x. Now when the value of x1 is equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 3I, then the value of y1 is equal to 6 minus x, that means 3 plus 3 square root of 3I, or y1 is equal to 6 minus 3 minus 3 square root of 3I. So the value of y1 is equal to 3 minus 3 square root of 3I. And when x2 is equal to 3 minus 3 square root of 3I, then the value of y2 is equal to 6 minus 3 minus 3 square root of 3I, or y2 is equal to 6 minus 3 plus 3 square root of 3I. So the value of y2 is equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 3I. So there are totally two values of x and two values of y. So we can write here x comma y is equal to, when the value of x1 is equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 3I, 3 plus 3 square root of 3I, then the value of y1 is equal to 3 minus 3 square root of 3I. And when x2 is equal to 3 minus 3 square root of 3I, 3 minus 3 square root of 3I, then the value of y2 is equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 3I, 3 plus 3 square root of 3I, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.